The DJI Air 3S has been completely leaked and unboxed. We have all the specs and details, the prices, and the official release date. I'll tell you everything you need to know in this video. Let's get into it. Let's have a close-up look at the drone with all the official images. As we already knew, there aren't many design changes. Even the weight remains the almost same at 724 grams. The only upgrade on the outside is the new LiDAR sensor up front, allowing very precise obstacle avoidance compared to the previous optical system. In fact, there's also a new APAS 5.0 system and a new Smart RTH system. The last leak about the drone's hardware is that the batteries of the Air 3 will also work on the 3S. Let's move on to the camera. The main wide-angle will feature a 50 megapixels, 24mm 1-inch sensor, recording up to 4K 120 and 1080p 240. And the medium telelens will be the same as before, so a 48 megapixels, 70mm 1/3-inch sensor, recording at the same resolution as the main camera. There will again be vertical shooting, up to 2.7K 60 frames per second. There are also big improvements to ISO range. In normal recording, it goes from 100 to 12,800 ISO, and in log recording up to 3,200. That's it for the camera upgrades. Let's now talk about the RC Track, a new beacon controller for GPS active tracking and quick shots. It's like the one of the Skydio 2, which allowed GPS tracking even without the subject in the camera's sight. Let's now talk about the prices and the versions available. This is a leaked unboxing of the Fly More combo with RC2, which will be priced at 1,359 euros. The standard combo with RCN3 at 959 euros. And finally, the Fly More combo with RCN3 at around 1,200 euros. Finally, the drone will be released on October 15th, so it's very soon. Make sure to subscribe to receive updates on all the DJI and tech leaks, and drop a like on this video if it was helpful.